Okay, one of the biggest questions we get is how do I know what pump I have, or I was sold this by somebody, it was secondhand, I don't know what pump's in it. The basic things there are 15 and newer. If it has SVHO in the title, it'll be a 160 millimeter pump. 14 and older is probably an SHO, so it's generally a 155, but the really easy way to tell. There's two different versions of the 160s. We'll look at them now. These are some just old pumps we had laying around the shop. 4 bolts in the tail cone, 8 stator vanes is a Yamaha 160. This is the old version. It's 2 pieces with the wear ring. The stator section is 1 individual piece, then there's a separate wear ring. On the newer versions, I believe it's 19 and newer, you'll have all 1 piece. The wear ring is still replaceable, but it just slides out. Still has 4 bolts, still has 8 vanes. If you have a 155, there will only be 6 of these vanes, and there will only be 3 of these bolts, and that's without exception. So it's really easy to tell if you have a 155, just count the bolts on the tail cone or count the stator vanes, and you'll know what to order. They are